Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you exactly how to start your first project in Descript's free plan as a complete beginner. First, go to Descript.com and sign up for a free account using your email or Google account. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Click the blue New Project button at the top left. A window will pop up asking for a project name. Type something like "my first video" and click Create. Now you're inside your empty project. To add your media, look for the Add Media button, or simply drag and drop a video or audio file from your computer into the center of the screen. Descript will automatically start transcribing your file. This takes a few seconds to a minute depending on the length. Once done, you'll see the full transcript on the left side of the screen and the video preview on the right. To play your video, click the play button under the video preview. To jump to any part of the video, just click on any word in the transcript. The video will instantly jump to that moment. Save your project by clicking File in the top menu, then Save. Descript also auto-saves, so your work is safe. To open this project again later, just go to your dashboard and click on the project thumbnail. And that's it. You've created your first project, added media, gotten a transcript, learned how to navigate, and saved your work. If this beginner guide helped you get started, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.